Hey, this is Dave at Custom Dynamics. We're going to do another comparison video today. On this side of the bike, we have our brand new Genesis 4 Series LED cluster. And on the opposite side, we have one of the competitors that is out there doing a full white cluster. And we've had a lot of requests to do a full white cluster. So as everyone knows, we have our dynamic rings, which is our halo white. So today we're introducing our new full white cluster. Is our Gen 4, and we are comparing it right now to our competitor's cluster. And if you take a look at this, you'll see that the white is definitely brighter. It is a better match to our headlights, so the color temperature matches our other LEDs. There's a little bit more on the cooler side. Ours is a great match to that. And you can see that the white is definitely brighter than the competitors. We're going to put the hazards on here and show you what happens with the hazards. You'll see with the hazards are on, our white turns off, which is compliant with the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards. The white has to turn off for the full cycle, and the amber comes through. On the opposite side here with the competitor, it's going amber white, amber white. This is not a legal turn signal. And also ours is DOT and SAE compliant. So it's fully compliant. You don't have to worry about any issues there. I'm going to turn the bike off here because it's really hard to know how bright the amber is here when it's amber is coming on just for a fraction of a second. So we're going to turn the bike off, leave the hazards on. Now you can get a good comparison of the two ambers between the competitors and between the new Gen 4 series, and you can see that the amber is definitely a lot brighter than the competitors out there. So this is again our brand new cluster that we're just introducing, our Genesis 4 series. That is a non-halo full white cluster with the DOT compliant amber turn signal.